Magic Leap 2 promises true mixed reality you can actually work in. Either we've reached the moment AR replaces your monitors and workflows, or it's another expensive dev toy with enterprise branding. On paper, it's a beast. A wider field of view around 70 degrees diagonal dynamic dimming that makes virtual objects look solid in bright rooms, a lightweight visor tethered to a hip compute pack, and a precise controller alongside hand tracking. Sounds like the future, but here's the thing, specs only matter if they hold up in real life. Here's what caught my attention after using it in real work scenarios, from multi-monitor setups to remote assistance. I actually wore this for 2 solid weeks and pushed it hard. I've put the direct link to check current pricing in the description, but before you click anything, let me show you what I discovered after 2 weeks of testing. Magic Leap markets this as an enterprise-grade mixed reality system designed to boost productivity and reduce training time. The promise is simple. Larger, more immersive FOV for fewer compromises. Dynamic dimming for better contrast and believable occlusion. Precise input with a tracked controller and reliable hand tracking. All-day usability with hot-swappable battery workflows. Sounds criminally generous, right? Pretty bold claims for a device that starts well north of $3,000. But here's where things get interesting. Reality check. They claim it can replace multiple monitors and keep you productive anywhere. What you actually get is a meaningfully wider window than earlier headsets, but not a wraparound workspace. Here's where it gets mathematically impossible. 327-inch monitors at typical desk distance cover roughly 120 to 150 degrees horizontally. Magic Leap 2 gives you around 70 degrees diagonal, so your virtual canvas is bigger than HoloLens 2, but still a framed portal, not a command center. In practice, a single central virtual monitor is crisp and a smaller secondary panel works, but spreading wide becomes constant panning. They claim dynamic dimming makes virtual objects look solid. Reality. Dimming is a genuine advantage. In bright rooms, it reduces the real-world brightness so digital objects hold contrast and don't wash out. It's the first time I've placed a virtual panel next to a window and not lost it. But there's the plot twist. Dimming affects your entire view, which can cause eye fatigue over long sessions and makes shared work environments feel tinted. Also, you still can't fully occlude reality everywhere like a VR pass-through headset. It's optical see-through, so occlusion fidelity varies by lighting and object color. They claim enterprise-grade comfort and all-day use. What you actually get is a comfortable visor for 45 to 90-minute blocks, with the weight mostly off your face thanks to the tethered compute pack. But let's be real here, that cable is a thing. It snags on chair arms and desks, and it changes how you move around. Battery life is also situational. With dimming active and heavy rendering, I saw about 2 to 3 hours per pack. Yes, you can hot swap and keep going, but that means buying extra batteries and planning power logistics. That's not all day out of the box. They claim best-in-class input with a tracked controller and hand tracking. Reality. The controller is the MVP. Its accurate clicks are reliable, and it makes precision placement painless. Hand tracking is good in stable lighting with deliberate gestures, but fast motion and occlusions still trip it up. If your workflow needs pixel-accurate placement or frequent clicks, you'll lean on the controller. They position it as a ready-to-go enterprise platform. The truth, the app catalog is thin, and this is very much a build-for-purpose device. For training, guided workflows, remote assist, and visualization, it shines if you have developers or a partner ecosystem. If you're a consumer or a small shop without dev resources, you'll hit walls. I dug deeper across developer forums and multiple investigation sites and saw the same refrain. Compelling hardware, but you need a plan, a budget, and buy-in. Price is the kicker.